I want to also understand the dynamics of a casual dating.
Yeah.
So suppose you put yourself out there and people are very explicit about them being casual in a relationship or a dating scenario now. That they will go out there and say that I'm looking for something casual
Yeah.
or I'm not in it for a, serious thing.
Yeah.
But let's say two people enter like that and eventually one of them starts feeling more connected to the other person and is expecting more out of this casual relationship. How does that work?
Yeah, ये हमेशा ऐसे ही होता है. Like, I mean, so now it's just cool to be like, I'm not looking for something serious. And shuru mein, you don't want to put pressure on the other person also. Like the first date, if I'm going on a date with a girl on the first day and she's like, I'm looking to get married. I'm like, hold on.
I think even 20 years ago, people didn't say that on first date. I doubt so. So that is not the mark of like getting into a serious relationship. But I'm saying just generally seeing things together and,
One extreme is this, you directly saying that I want this. So ab, like you're very clear with, let's say 20 years pehle, you can't say I want to get married. Now the same thing has been replaced by on the first date, if someone is saying I'm looking to date someone. तो वो जो पहले मैरिज का 20 साल पहले होता था वो अब सेम अब हो गया है. So people are so scared of that. So now to also because they've been hurt in the past and they don't want to come across as desperate, men and women both, they say I would looking for something casual or we're just looking to explore. Let's just see where this goes, right? And then they start in a casual relationship, whatever. What happens after 2 months is mostly like I think 2 months is the runway जब वो हो जाता है. The girl gets attached or the guy gets attached, and now if I say from a men's standpoint, because those are the clients that have had the most and that's the life I've lived, there are only two things that happens. Either the girl wants a man to commit, all right, ki bhai, I want commitment, I like you, and she's not gonna say ki, I want you to commit to me. She's
but
gonna
do men don't want that? Like it always happens the other way that girls
no, they
gets...
do as well. So we can flip it both way, but I'll just the experience I'll just share from my point of view, right? So women have been like after 2 months they've been like they're never gonna say that I like you, I want to date you. They're gonna say questions like where is this going? So what are we, right? And then in my boy phase, I would tackle it by being like, I don't know, I'm just chilling. I'm not in that space to get into a relationship right now, but I really like spending time with you. And if at any point in time things open up or whatever changes, wo hai. But right now I'm just not in that phase. Now, what that would happen, she'd be fine about it and she'd be cool, ki theek hai, all right. He's very clear with it. But within the next month, she would either find someone else who will commit to her because she's looking for that. So in the end of it, either she finds someone else or she wants to commit to you. तो वो कभी भी ऐसा नहीं हुआ that it has just stayed for longer, right? After 2 months, it's always gotten serious, and I had commitment issues enough of myself. So when I say that, girls would say that to me all the time because I had so much of commitment issues. मैं बोल ही नहीं सकता था कि I want to date you or what are we? I want to take this ahead. I
But
was
did you
scared
want
of,
to, or you were just scared and stopping yourself, or you never wanted to also?
I
There's a
mean,
difference, right? One is that you have commitment issues.
yeah,
You want to commit, but
yeah,
because of whatever
correct.
trauma or
Yeah.
past experiences you're coming from, you're not able to commit, even if you like the person.
Yeah.
And the one is that you generally don't want to commit. So which one of this are we?
It's a mix of both. So how trauma works is it works in cycles. Like specifically for me, it was always between getting too close to a person, which is called enmeshment, or abandonment. So it's like I'll be like, no, I don't want to commit. I don't want to commit. Once she's like, fuck off, I'll go meet some other guy. Then once I'd be like, all right, this girl is moving on. Then I'd feel abandoned. So it was that cycle where, it was pretty toxic for a while because then she would come back and she'd expect something and then I would again go into my trauma zone, get triggered, be like, no, I need space and everything. So वो बहुत crazy होता था on my personal front.